Okay, why does Mark Cuban say, if you use your credit cards, you do not want to be rich?
If you use your credit cards, you do not want to be rich. Well, where's the best place to invest? I said, your best place to invest is to pay off all your credit cards and burn them.
Well, here's the cold hard fact. Every dollar that you spend on credit card interest is money that you're not saving for retirement. So let's assume you spend about $200 a month on interest payments on your credit card debt. Over a 10-year period of time, you will have paid $24,000 in interest payments. Now instead, let's assume that you had no credit card debt and you saved that $200 a month in an IRA, 401k, pension plan, some investment vehicle. Let's further assume that you chose an S&P 500 index fund to invest your money. Now historically, over the long term, an S&P 500 index fund will yield about 7 to 10% per year. So let's go on the conservative side and say that you earn 7% over the 10-year period that you're investing that $200 a month. After 10 years of investing $200 a month, you will have accumulated $34,210, assuming a 7% rate of return. Because of the value of compound interest, you will have earned an additional $10,210 over and above what you invested in the fund. But if you were making interest payments on credit card debt instead of investing, you're not just losing out on that $10,210 gain. You're also missing out on the $24,000 of interest payments that you made, because that money is not saved into your retirement account. Instead, it went to the credit card companies. So, in essence, you have cost yourself $34,210. Do you see how powerful this is? Now I know some of you will say, but Don, I pay off my credit card balances every single month. Well, congratulations, you're in the minority. According to a recent Yahoo Finance report, 61% of American families are carrying credit card balances every month, and 23% say the balances are increasing every month. But okay, let's assume that you're in the 39% that actually pay off your credit card balances every single month. I'm still going to tell you I don't think you should use your credit cards. Why? Because there's many studies out there that show when people use credit cards to pay for consumer purchases, they spend more money. When you're paying for your purchases with cash or a debit card, it's a lot easier to see the money leave your account or leave your wallet. So it's a lot easier to track how much you're actually spending. Because of the ease of using credit cards, it's very difficult to see how much you're actually spending, and it's a lot harder to stay on budget. So let's say you are paying off your credit cards every single month, but you overspend by $200. You will have the exact same result as the person that's paying $200 a month in credit card interest. It makes no difference whether you're wasting $200 a month on interest payments or frivolous purposes. The math is exactly the same. You are not investing that $200, and at the end of 10 years, you will have cost yourself $34,210. So I'll say it again. If you use your credit cards, you do not want to be rich. So, have Mark Cuban and I convinced you to get rid of your credit card debt once and for all? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm Don Golden, and we are Fresh Start for Life. We are on a mission to help people conquer debt and save for retirement. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.